Yo, what's up, y'all? So, what I want to do right now is get more people involved in the stock market. I know a lot of you are hesitant about it and you think it's just wasting money, but dealing with opportunities to grow your money and increase your wealth, I found that this is one of the better ways to do just that. Invest in the stock market. So what I'm doing is coming up with a variety of ways to break it down to beginners in the simplest form. So my advice to you today, the example that I have for you today is this. Take $10, put it in a shoebox, and put it away. Okay? Come back to that shoebox in a month. And in that month, open that shoebox, and suddenly it's $20 there. So you just turned $10 into $20 from setting some money aside. Just $10. You doubled your money. And that's what the stock market is like. That's what it's all about. You have to understand that what you're doing is buying a share of something for a certain amount of money and waiting until that share increases in value, which turns your money into more money. So that's my example today, is to take $10, put it in a shoebox. For example, you could buy $10 of you could buy Solano, a share of crypto right now, Solano, called Solano, for $10, one share. And who knows what might happen in the next 2 months. It might turn into $30. So you may make $20 off of that $10 that you invested. That's how it works. Okay? So this is real beginner talk for beginners interested in getting into the stock market. I personally use the Robinhood app. It's helped me tremendously. And I'm having fun just playing with little money, buying up little stocks that I can afford, and watching the value go up and down, up and down. It's a wait process, but only money that I can afford to set aside like that. But every now and then appreciating to be able to recoup $5 or $10 or something like that, instead of burning it up at every gas station on little products. You know what I'm talking about. So once again, that's what the stock market is all about. It's yours truly, Ronnie B, aka Iron Lion. Follow my reggae music, hip hop music, R&B, live shows, merchandise, creativity, stuff that we do right here at Iron Lion World. Comment below, show some love, and share this comment, and talk to me. Tell your friends, link up right here. We're gonna grow this money together. All right? How to grow your money. Peace and love.